दर्शकों, मैं दिशान काजी, आप सब देख रहे हैं सहारा अधिकार। सनई छत्रपति शासन के प्रोफेसर नामदेव राव जाधव ने मुंबई प्रेस क्लब में एक पत्रकार परिषद ली। आने वाले इलेक्शन में ये अपनी पार्टी से लड़ने वाले हैं और इनके कैंडिडेट भी मैदान में उतरने वाले हैं। पूर्व मुंबई महानगर पालिका का चुनाव की डेट अब तक आई नहीं है और इसके ऊपर भी जो है सभी को इंतज़ार है। इनकी पार्टी का लक्ष्य है कि महाराष्ट्र में जो गवर्नमेंट में करप्शन हो रहा है, जो युवाएं बेरोज़गार है, उन्हें अच्छी सहायता अगर इनकी पार्टी को जिताया जाता है तो इनकी पार्टी उस पर काम करेगी। करप्शन के ये सब खिलाफ़ है और ईमानदारी से जो है वो इंटीग्रिटी के साथ आगे बढ़ना, ये इनका लक्ष्य है। इनका ऐसा मानना है कि हर बच्चे को फर्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड से 10th स्टैंडर्ड तक इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल में अच्छी एजुकेशन हासिल करना चाहिए ताकि उसका भविष्य अच्छा हो सके, जिसके वजह से हमारा इंडिया जो है वो और प्रोग्रेस कर सके। और करप्शन और अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट जो है वो ख़त्म करना चाहते हैं और हर एक युवा एक अच्छे जॉब पर, एक अच्छे लेवल पर पहुँचे। इस पर जो है इनके पार्टी के वर्कर जो है वो काम करने का जो है निर्णय ले चुके हैं। यही उनका इनिशिएटिव है। सनई छत्रपति शासन की ये जो थिंकिंग है, जो इनिशिएटिव है, ये आपको कैसे लगा? आप अपने दिल में इसके बारे में क्या सोचते हैं? कमेंट्स में ज़रूर लिखिए और हमें बताइएगा। देश और दुनिया की तमाम खबरों के लिए देखते रहिए सहारा अधिकार। Hello friend, I am Dishan Kazi. You are all watching Sahara Adhikar news channel. Today we are at Mumbai Press Club and we have with us a new party who will be contesting the upcoming elections in Maharashtra. The name of the party is Sanai Chhatrapati Shasan, and we have the press release with us. And just now addressing the press conference at Mumbai Press Club, Professor Namdev Rao Jadhav, who is the national president of this party, he has addressed the journalists. The core initiative and the aim of the party is to remove the corruption which is happening in Maharashtra and in various political districts also, wherein the youth of India are not getting proper employment, and there are lots of corruption in government sectors also, government institutions also. Professor Namdev Rao Jadhav has stated all the important points in which politicians from different political backgrounds during the time of election they make big promises and they even distribute money and they even distribute chicken mutton so that the poor uneducated people should vote in favor of them. APJ Kalam, the former president of India, has clearly stated in the year 2013 and 2014 that by the year 2020 our vision should be to remove 150 million youth of this country below the poverty line by providing basic amenities like internet plus skill development training for standard 9 to 10 and 12 standard students, so that when a student passes out from a university, he does not necessarily obtain a degree, but he comes with a skill certificate course which will help him to secure a good job also. So we'll have a complete discussion with Mr. Namdev Rao Jadhav ji, and we'll ask him some tough questions also, because the GDP of our country has gone very bad, and there are lots of unemployment students who are constantly posting on social media platforms regarding the job, but they are not getting the desired job. Namdev Rao Jadhav, welcome to Sahara Adhikar channel. The BMC elections would be very soon in Mumbai city, and the dates are yet to be revised by the authorities. And many political parties who are contesting, not many political parties, they are preparing for this election. As you have stated in your press conference that Sanai Chhatrapati Shasan party will be working on corruption and employment opportunities for the youth of Maharashtra. Can you tell us something about your party? Like, what would be the first initiative to make better employment opportunities from across all the youth across in Maharashtra?
Today we have a press conference to give the entry to the new peoples in our party. Our agenda is to come down the corruption. Corruption means not giving opportunity to the people who deserve. Okay, and that's why other problems are being created. And employment generation is connected to the corruption. That's why if we completely remove the corruption, we can give the complete employment to the each and every student and each and every youth. We see that revolutions in other states like Nepal, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, that is only because of unemployment. That's why our main agenda is giving employment to the youths.
There is a famous saying also Dr. APJ Kalam has said that when people in power, when they come, and the basic question everybody asks is that what can I take? Everybody in power, there are many corrupt officers also in various different organizations. The question is what can I take? Like how much can I do the good, to be straightforward with you. But our question should be what can I give? That should be our question. And regard to the employment opportunities, there are many youth in Maharashtra. They want better.
सवाल एकदम एक लाइन में पूछना चाहिए.
They want better school.
No problem. You continue. Sorry.
शॉर्ट में पूछेंगे तो बाकी लोग को
They want better education in English medium schools from standard 1 to 10, like St. David's and reputed schools also. And they say that they will get good opportunities
For that.
if they pass out from this school. So
For
what
that.
is your initiative for those youth?
For that point, we have the vision that all the people who take the salary from the government, including commissioner to the clerk, everybody's students will be going to the government school. If they want to have a government job, their children will go to the government school. That will be the single route for us.
That will be the solution.
That will be the solution. Otherwise, CBSE, state board, poor, rich, all these will be removed only in one line by our party, that everybody who wants the government salary, their children will go to the government school. So that will be a drastic, and that will be a drastic decision where everybody will get equal opportunity of learning and education, and all schools will be made free. All schools will be made free.
There are students in Shawls also, and there are students in Shawls also. They go to various government schools also, and their complaint is when they pass out they don't get proper job. So my question is very simple: for those people who don't have financial freedom, if they vote for your party in the upcoming election, so would you guarantee that they would get proper education also, plus jobs in government designations also?
Yes, we promise you that once we will be in power, there will be a very minor unemployment. Okay, because in every corporation area we are giving opportunity to the 1 lakh youths for business opportunity. We will give them the land, we will give them the bank loan, we will give the certificate, and we will give them the training. Because degree doesn't ensure you the employment, your skill ensures your employment. So we will be going for the skill development of these youths.
This was Mr. Professor Namdev Rao Jadhav, the National President of Sanai Chhatrapati Shashan, and he has appealed to the people of Maharashtra that if they vote for his party in the upcoming BMC elections, then he would make sure that their children will get admissions in reputed schools also, and he will even take care of generating employment opportunities, and he will even work on eradicating corruption which are happening across in Maharashtra. To get all the updates regarding our news channel, please do keep watching Sahara Adhikar and do comment on Namdev Rao Jadhav's interview also. Thank you so much.